iPhone XS Max better than iPhone 11? Oh yeah, here's 40 quick reasons why. Stainless steel frame. Old display, deeper blacks, sharper contrast. HDR10, Dolby Vision, higher pixel density, brighter screen. Sleeker design, thinner body, feels premium. 3D touch, better screen-to-body ratio. Dual SIM, better movie watching. Gorgeous colors, premium build, low light camera. Smooth performance, Face ID speed, same. A12 chip still fast. Cheaper now, latest iOS supported, louder speakers, great for gaming. Better Instagram experience, less camera bump. Elegant finish, luxury look, solid battery. Timeless design, better resale, great for editing, no lag. Reliable in 2025, pro-level screen, smooth apps, still a beast. Team XSMAX or iPhone 11? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe.